I woke up one morning this week, and I, for some reason, started doing something I wouldn't normally do. I started watching the news, interviews with people struggling in a rough area in the world, and all of a sudden, strong feelings that I remember I'd had since childhood came to surface. I felt a sense of sadness, a sense of extreme guilt to experience happiness and being content, guilt to live the life I have, guilt for having everything that I do. That question deep down, why am I the lucky one to have this life? A roof on my head, safety, stability, food, and no fear of being harmed at any moment. It felt like a side of me shamed me for enjoying life, like nothing bad is happening. Shame of the thought and feeling of wanting to take care of myself, mentally and physically. Live the moment and enjoy the little and big things. Am I wrong? The feelings were strong, and they can be overwhelming. All the chaos we see, all the chaos we hear about, it can be overwhelming. Feels like I'm carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. The sense of no order, almost stripping the truth of human nature. What's true to me, what's true to anyone, what's true to every human being. I absorbed these feelings and let them simmer in my heart and in my mind. I always struggled to just let myself feel and accept my feelings, and slowly came to the gentle, profound realization that I had lived with those feelings and that pressure for years since I was growing up. My parents watching the news, almost living a sense of underlying hopelessness, feeling like the way that life is the world against you, undermining the gentle human nature and allowing myself to be, allowing myself to feel without feeling selfish. I had lived with them, and look at where they'd led me. I had spent the last few years suffering from extreme anxiety, and I didn't know it until recently. My body was out of my own control. My mind was out of my own control. My emotions as well, they were out of my own control. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't function as a normal human being would. I was living, but really I wasn't living. I had been stuck in a vicious cycle, a cycle of fight or flight, a real disease that I had been trapped in day and night. I had lost everything, including myself. I'm now on medication, and I had learned to take it easy, take it day by day. Like you nurture a child, I have to nurture me. I have to be kind, be gentle, to be forgiving. Most importantly, put my mental health and well-being first, fiercely, and make them a priority. I didn't change the world or help make it a better place with worry or carrying those feelings. I might have achieved a lot on paper, but I haven't really lived. If you don't know what you deserve, or how you deserve to live as a human being, how will you know what others deserve? If you don't know how to take care of yourself, how will you take care of others? It's important to live and experience yourself, your feelings, your humanity to the fullest, and all that makes you you. You're not selfish or taking care of you. You're not selfish. It's the opposite. You are understanding the complexity, the gentleness, and beauty of what makes you human. You certainly can't carry the weight of the world on your shoulders, but you certainly can make a difference. But that difference won't start without you. Yes, I said you. So take care of you. You are not selfish for taking care of you. So go on, treat yourself. You're not selfish.